This is Professor L.B. Gaikwad's English Literature Web. I am Professor L.B. Gaikwad is teaching today the topic Methods of Communication. This is my lecture 332 and part 4. Before going to the topic, I will request you to share my YouTube channel, subscribe it and watch properly. Then the second thing I will request is that I have put all these notes into the description box. Please go into it and study them. Now we will go to the topic. So here under the main topic, methods of communication, here we are discussing about the visual communication. So what is the visual communication? The visual communication happens with visual aids. Visual aids means there are some, I will say, equipments which we use, that is called visual aids, means we can see them, we can use them. So they are called the visual aids. And with these visual aids, we do some communication. Means now communication means what? We transfer some information from us to the second person, that is the communication. Means I will give you the example of a teacher. That teacher uses the visual aids. Suppose the teacher uses the map. For example, if he is the teacher of phonetics and phonology, then he uses the map, the chart of the organs of speech. If he is the teacher of the geography, then he can use the particular map of the world and he can show the students, and in this way he can do that communication. Communication means what? He can give his own information with the help of that aid. Aid means that map, and in this way that chart, and in this way he can teach his students. That is called the visual communication. So visual communication is seen by us through the means of television. So television is there. Just we saw that there is the chart, there is the map. In this way there is the television, and with the help of this television we can do our visual communication. Radio is there. We can do it also with the help of the radio. But radio we cannot see in the radio, but actually we can listen. So it can be the example. Facebook is there because on the Facebook we can see, and that's why it is also the means I will say of the visual communication. Instagram is there, tweet is there, email is there, images are there, videos are there. Means through all these, I will say, aids we can see, we can do, we can share the visual communications. We can communicate with the above means of visual communications. Through the Instagram, we get visual communication with images. Remember, when we go into the Instagram, or when we go on to the Instagram, then we see there some images. Different images are there, and we see those images, and with the help of those images we learn many things. That is called the learning, that is called the communication, and which is done by seeing or by looking. That is visual. We can see, we can look, and that's why the images in the Instagram also teach us. And advertisers use the particular imagery to sell his or their products and concepts. So remember, we can see there the banners, digital boards, which are put there somewhere in the I will say in the colonies or in the important I will say places. So all these digital banners and all these advertisements also are the examples of the visual communication, and by those advertisements I will say, or by those images I will say, we learn many things, and in this way the visual communication happens. The picture shared by us on social media, means on social media we share some pictures, and with the help of these pictures also we convey our meanings and messages. It is described as the graphic representation information to create meaning with effective mode. Remember, the second explanation is there, that it is called the graphic representation. Graphic means there is that graph. That graph means it is their map, it is their picture, it is their image. Graph means what? It is the, suppose we draw the rangoli, and that rangoli is what? That rangoli is the graph. So it is the graphic representation also, and with the help of this graphic representation we send the information to the other persons. That is called and this graph becomes very much effective to send our messages, or to send our social I will say the informations which we want to send. Infographics, interactive content, motion graphics, and more than these, in the form of iconography, that is the I will say the pronunciation is iconography. All these things I will say, means all these things are the images, and with the help of these images, then again I will say illustration, then supporting text, then graphs, then data visualization and animation. All these are the images, and with the help of these images also we can do our visual communication. The visual communication can be used at conferences. Remember, when we hold our conferences, deliberations, discussions, group discussions, in the group discussions also we can do the visual communication with the help of the boards, with the help of the I will say digital banners. Then trade shows, means there are some businessmen, they do the trade shows, demos we can say, with the help of them also we can have the visual communication. Websites, there are some websites, and through the means of those I will say websites we can send our information that happen. Then other social media is there, and posts which are posted on the social media are also the examples which can be said to give as the examples of our visual communication. Then I will say office presentation, means in the offices there are some presentations done, meetings are there, and these meeting presentations are there, and much more are the things which can be said here to have the visual communication. Today's market success depends on the visual communication. Remember, the importance of the visual communication is that today's success of man depends on market, and visual communication is very much I will say the thing which can be successful with the help of the market success. Means if you are successful in market, then you can do this properly. Otherwise, what will happen? You will not be successful. Therefore, the market world should give importance to the visual communication. That is the important point, that the market world, means the persons who are businessmen, they should give the importance to the visual communication. If they are creating the images, if they are creating the advertisements, if they are creating the maps, if they are using all these social media to I will say declare their products, then they will be very much successful. Our slides of programs, remember we hold some programs and the slides of the programs are there, digital banners are there, and advertisements are there. All these have been our parts, which are the basic examples of the visual communication, I will say. We should plan out strategy, talent, and time required to produce the right visual, I will say visuals, for our purpose. And so that's why here we should have some planning. We should have some strategy, I will say, or we should have some schedule, some time. We must use our talent, and we must have the particular, I will say, the strategy which will be planned by us for being successful. All these things, if are there before us, then we can do this visual communication very successful. And with the help of this visual communication, I will say, we can be the famous person in the world of man. So you should implement imagery to make your visual communication successful. Means if we want to make our visual communication successful, then we must use the imagery, that is the images. For best visual communication, we should follow the following things. The first is best quality over quantity. Means we should not see the quantity, means how much numbers, means we are creating the 1,000 things, and those 1,000 things are not, I will say, qualitative. We should prepare only 20 things, but they should be qualitative. It means that we should give importance to quality more than the quantity. That is the important thing. The second thing is that implement it as our best practice, and we should give importance to that thing, that it is our best practice. As long as we cannot understand it as our best practice, we will not be successful in doing it. So it should become our best practice. That is the important thing. Application of strategies, means when we are going through this concept, we must have the application, means use. We must do the application of different plannings there, and then we should use our innovative mind there. These are the things which we can say, or which we can follow to make our visual communication successful. Typography, drawing, graphic design, illustration, industrial design, advertising, and electronic resources are also calculated as the best means or examples of the visual communication. Maps, pictures, colors with written messages give us the visual communication. The visual aids thus communicate messages. For example, chalkboard, means there is in the classroom, there is the particular chalkboard, we write on the chalkboard. This chalkboard, whiteboard also there in the classroom, we can use that whiteboard. Then poster board, means there is the board for the posters, we can use that also, and that also becomes the particular example of the visual communication. Handouts, means some pamphlets are there, or some things which we can distribute through our hands to the persons, that are the handouts. These handouts, then video experts, all these things, then projection, I will say, projection or the projection equipment, I will say, and computer aided presentations, everything created on computer. All these things are the examples, best examples of the visual communication. Thus, the visual communication has been an innovative social means to circulate our innovative information or to become successful in the digital market. So here today we have finished the topic. Again we will have a new topic, and with that new topic again we will be in front of each other. Till then, thank you very much.